Hi, hello, good morning. My name is Tomasz Piątkowski. First of all, I would like to say thank you about invitation me for the next recruitment process. I live in Warsaw, in the capital of the country in Poland. I'm strongly interested in sport, particularly cycling. I love spending time on the fresh air. I really enjoy traveling. My aim is to visit all European countries, and I think I'm on a good way to do it. Back into the questions. What is a successful volunteering experience for you, and what would you like to leave behind? So, I would be very glad if I would achieve a good result of increasing people awareness of sustainable development. It would be very important for me that people understand the value of the issue, what we are talking about, and after that, I hope that I will observe positive effects of our works, and after that, probably we can observe improvement in their behavior, in their habits. And when I will be living, it would be very important for me that people will think about sustainable development not globally, but also as a unit, that even one person has very strong impact for the environment. It's similar situation when we have with the election, that playing together we have very strong impact overall. When you receive a difficult task that you don't know how to resolve, what do you do? I always try to be open-minded person and try to find many opportunities to resolve the problems. Probably firstly, I will try to find some matches on the internet, but I think many times it's good to ask just ordinary people what they are think about it. Maybe they heard something interesting, and then after collecting some informations, it's good to arrange a brainstorm and sharing ideas. I think it's much better to draw the conclusions. This next question. What are your expectations related to this exchange experience? So I hope that I would have a chance to work with a nice, friendly people who I think maybe they don't have such strong knowledge about sustainable development, but after that I will have I will have chance to extend their knowledge, um, their to extend the informations about it, and I hope that I will have a chance to prepare some data about behaviors of the people, to analyze some trends, to prepare some interesting materials. I think I have quite nice knowledge about it yet because I wrote master thesis about commercial buildings in aspect of sustainable development. Uh, Next questions. You arrive at the session prepared to deliver your session using projection and all this. But at the location you find that you don't have any logistic, only the things in the room. How do you adapt? I think in that situation it's proper to use your own skills, your own knowledge, to forget about all the technologies and use only piece of paper and just talk to people. Because when you talking interesting, people they listen you. And I will try to interact with people, try to ask some interesting questions, and get them into discussions. And the last questions, what kind of activities would you do in order to engage your young people? Please suggest at least. So I think many people interested in many digital forms of engaging. For example, I will propose some tests, but some funny tests in digital forms. Mm, I think it's a good way to memorize many things. I also think that almost every people like activities in the fresh air, and it's good to conduct some activities uh, like recycling, how to properly collect some waste, and I hope that people will interested in. Okay, thank you for that.